Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW 4 Series versus the Lexus RC. Let's dive into their performance differences. The BMW 4 Series typically boasts more powerful engine choices, leading to faster acceleration and a more dynamic driving feel. In contrast, the Lexus RC often prioritizes a refined and comfortable ride, making it a great option for daily cruising. Both coupes deliver unique driving experiences, catering to different preferences on the road. Moving inside, the BMW 4 Series cabin is designed with the driver in mind, featuring intuitive controls and cutting-edge technology. The Lexus RC, however, focuses on a luxurious and comfortable environment for all occupants, often with a more opulent feel. Both vehicles provide high-quality materials throughout and come equipped with sophisticated infotainment systems, ensuring a premium experience whether you're behind the wheel or a passenger. When considering practicality, the BMW 4 Series often provides a bit more cargo capacity, which can be a factor for everyday use. On the other hand, the Lexus RC frequently earns high marks for its long-term reliability and lower maintenance costs over time. While both are premium coupes, their overall value proposition, including potential resale value, can differ, so it's worth researching current market trends. So which one is better for you? If you prioritize exhilarating performance, sharp handling, and a driver-centric experience, the BMW 4 Series is likely your top choice. If you prefer a smooth, comfortable ride, a luxurious interior, and a strong reputation for reliability, the Lexus RC might be the perfect fit. Ultimately, both are excellent cars, but they cater to different desires. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.